advantages of these are. These are a number of hacks that I found online, which are quite famous. On the top left, there's a LG bioreactor made out of empty soda bottles. Anybody can identify what type of bioreactor this is? It's algae, yeah, but what type? Is it a steer tank, or is it? What do you think if you make an algae reactor? Would you have an airlift, or would you fixate the algae to a membrane? Or there's a lot of tubes that are connecting the bottles, and algae needs CO2 to grow, so you're pushing in air through that. But the great thing about it, of course, when you push in the air, you also mix the fluid. So especially when you put in the diffuser of the air tube in the bottom of the bottles, then you have these nice bubbles that go up, and therefore you have a constant mixture in your reactor. So that is a air-steered or air-mixed reactor. And there on the right, the top right, let's say, anybody has a clue what kind of bioreactor that is? It's also water. Sorry, water. Not exactly. It's a biogas reactor. So basically, you put a lot of poo in there with some straw, some organic materials, and then wait for a while, and then you can get methane gas. So that's a typical fat batch reactor, because you keep adding stuff, organic waste. There's no steering whatsoever going on. It's anaerobic, so no need for air. So it's a very simple bioreactor.
How would you store the gas that they produce?
Normally you would have some kind of valve on the top, and you can harvest the gas after a period of time, or you would have a tube that goes into a liquid, and then on the other side of the liquid you have some kind of, for example, we have a flask upside down, filled with liquid, and the tube goes in, and then the gas slowly pushes out the liquid, so you can capture the gas inside of your flask. That would be the simplest way to do that. Then the bottom right, anybody has an idea what that is? It's a membrane reactor, so there are two bioreactors next to each other, or actually the reaction goes on the left, and in the middle there's a membrane, a salt bridge, and here in the